Today we're making gluten-free, flourless monster cookies.
Start by adding 2 large eggs to a mixing bowl, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix until completely combined, then add 3/4 cup gluten-free rolled oats, a half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, and mix again. Then add half a cup mini M&Ms and a half a cup mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is what your cookie dough should look like when you're finished. Cover it with plastic wrap and chill for 2 hours. When the dough is chilled, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and using a medium cookie scoop, scoop the dough into balls. You would do about 12 balls per cookie sheet. No need to press the cookie dough balls down. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are set. Once the cookies are baked, allow the baked cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 10 minutes and then remove to a cooling rack. There you go, that's how you make delicious gluten-free monster cookies.